GDCE exam quota recruitment process of ALP and technicians posts. Only single online application, common to all the notified posts, ALP and technicians, has to be submitted by the candidate through the link provided on the official website of RRC. The entire recruitment process shall involve CBT, that is, computer-based aptitude test and document verification as applicable. The CBT shall have two parts, that is Part A and Part B as detailed below. Part A. Duration 90 minutes and 120 minutes for eligible PWBD candidates accompanied with scribe. NUMB of questions 100. The marks scored in Part A alone shall be used for shortlisting of candidates for further stages of recruitment process, subject to the condition that the candidate is securing qualifying mark in Part B. The syllabus for Part A shall be as below. A. Mathematics, Number System, BODMAS, Decimals, Fractions, LCM, HCF, Ratio and Proportion, Percentages, Mensuration, Time and Work, Time and Distance, Simple and Compound Interest, Profit and Loss, Algebra, Geometry and Trigonometry, Elementary Statistics, Square Root, Edge Calculations, Calendar and Clock, Pipes and Cistern, etc. B. General Intelligence and Reasoning, Analogies, Alphabetical and Number Series, Coding and Decoding, Mathematical Operations, Relationships, Syllogism, Jumbling, Venn diagram, Data Interpretation and Sufficiency, Conclusions and Decision Making, Similarities and Differences, Analytical Reasoning, Classification, Directions, Statement, Arguments and Assumptions, etc. C. Basic Science and Engineering. The broad topics that are covered under this shall be engineering drawing, projections, views, drawing instruments, lines, geometric figures, symbolic representation, units, measurements, mass, weight and density, work, power and energy, speed and velocity, heat and temperature, basic electricity, levers and simple machines, occupational safety and health, environment education, IT literacy, etc. D. General awareness on current affairs in science and technology, sports, culture, personalities, economics, politics and any other subjects of importance. Part B. Duration 60 minutes and 80 minutes for eligible PWBD candidates accompanied with scribe. Number of questions 75. Qualifying mark 35%. This is applicable to all candidates and no relaxation is permissible. This part is qualifying in nature and shall have questions from the trade syllabus prescribed by Director General of Employment and Training, DGET. Candidates with ITI trade apprenticeship qualification will be required to appear in the section having questions from the relevant trade. Candidates holding degree, diploma having eligibility for the posts of ALP have to select relevant trade from the list of trades listed against their engineering discipline. Candidates who do not have ITI Act apprentice diploma qualifications and have qualified 10+2 with physics and mathematics will be eligible for the posts of Tech 3 telecommunication and Tech 3 signal only. They should choose a special trade, physics and maths. If they choose any other trade, they will not be considered for any of the posts. The physics and maths trade shall have questions on physics and mathematics of 10+2 standard. Candidates who do not have ITI Act apprentice qualifications but have diploma degree in various specified streams will be considered for the post of ALP only. Such candidates should choose their trades for Part B of the CBT. The trade syllabus can be obtained from the GDCE website. The relevant trades for various 10+2 diploma engineering discipline for appearing in the qualifying test is as below. 1. Engineering discipline, diploma or degree, of electrical engineering and combination of various streams of electrical engineering. Relevant trade for Part B qualifying test to be selected from electrician, instrument mechanic, wireman, winder, armature, refrigeration and air conditioning mechanic. 2. Electronics engineering and combination of various streams of electronics engineering. Relevant trade for Part B qualifying test to be selected from electronics mechanic, mechanic, radio and TV. 3. Mechanical engineering and combination of various streams of mechanical engineering. Relevant trade for Part B qualifying test to be selected from fitter mechanic, motor vehicle, tractor mechanic, mechanic, diesel turner, machinist, refrigeration and air conditioning mechanic, heat engine, millwright, maintenance mechanic. 4. Automobile engineering and combination of various streams of automobile engineering. Relevant trade for Part B qualifying test to be selected from mechanic, motor vehicle, tractor mechanic, mechanic, diesel, heat engine, refrigeration and air conditioning mechanic. 5. HSC, 10+2, with physics and maths. Relevant trade for Part B qualifying test to be selected from physics and mathematics. Computer-based aptitude test, only for candidates who have opted for ALP. Qualifying marks, the candidate needs to secure a minimum score of 42 marks in each of the test batteries to qualify. This is applicable to all candidates and no relaxation is permissible. Candidates equal to 8 times number of ALP vacancies for each of the communities, that is, unreserved, OBC, NCL, SC and SIN, including gangs. Servicemen shall be shortlisted for computer-based based on their performance in Part A of the second stage CBT subject to their qualifying the Part B of second stage CBT, from among the candidates who have opted for the post of ALP. Candidates will have to qualify in each of the test battery of computer-based for considering them for the post of ALP. The computer-based aptitude test shall have questions and answer options only in English and Hindi. There shall be no negative marking in computer-based The ALP merit list will be drawn only from amongst the candidates qualifying in the aptitude test, with 70% weightage for the marks obtained in the Part A of second stage CBT and 30% weightage for the marks obtained in computer-based Candidates are advised to visit websites of RDSO, www.rdso.indianrailways.gov.in. Then go on directorates. Here go on Psychotechnical Directorate. Here go on Candidates Corner. For question patterns and other details of based on the options and performance of candidates in PARTA of the CBT subject to their qualifying the PARTB of CBT, for technician posts, and based on the performance of candidates in both part A of the CBT and computer-based at subject to their qualifying the part B of CBT, for ALP, candidates equal to the number of vacancies will be called for document verification. Candidates to be asked for their category preference and exam group in which they will appear in the given format. Thanks for watching.